Motorola is back with another Ultra battle. If you're wondering whether the Moto Edge 70 Ultra is a true upgrade over the Moto Edge 60 Ultra, or if the 60 Ultra is still the smarter buy in 2026, you're in the right place. Let's break it down feature by feature, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which phone is right for you. Starting with design, both phones screen premium. The Moto Edge 60 Ultra already offers a sleek curved display, vegan leather or glass finishes, and a solid aluminum frame. The Moto Edge 70 Ultra, however, refines that design even more. It feels slightly more polished, with improved durability, better grip, and enhanced water and dust resistance. Nothing drastic, but it's the kind of refinement you expect from a next-generation flagship. That said, the Edge 70 Ultra pushes things further with improved brightness, better outdoor visibility, and more accurate colors, especially noticeable when watching HDR content or gaming in bright sunlight. For casual users, the difference is subtle. For content lovers, it's noticeable. The Moto Edge 60 Ultra is still a powerful device, capable of handling multitasking, gaming, and everyday apps smoothly. But the Moto Edge 70 Ultra steps it up with a newer flagship-level processor, improved AI performance, and better thermal efficiency, meaning smoother gameplay, faster app launches, and longer sustained performance. If you're a heavy user, gamer, or someone who keeps phones for 3 to 4 years, this matters. Edge 70 Ultra clearly wins for long-term performance. Motorola has seriously improved its camera game, and both phones deliver strong results. The Edge 60 Ultra already captures sharp photos with great dynamic range and reliable video stabilization. The Edge 70 Ultra, however, improves low-light performance, portrait edge detection, and video clarity, especially for night shots and social media content. Selfie lovers and vloggers will appreciate the upgrades. However, the Edge 70 Ultra benefits from better power optimization and faster charging technology, meaning less time plugged in and more time using your phone. For users in the USA, Canada, or the Philippines, fast charging is a huge plus, especially for busy days. Edge 70 Ultra is more efficient and convenient. Both phones run Motorola's clean, near-stock Android experience, which many users prefer over heavily customized skins. The Edge 70 Ultra will naturally receive longer software and security updates, making it a better future-proof option. Moto gestures, customization options, and AI features feel smoother on the newer device. So, choose the Moto Edge 60 Ultra if you want flagship performance at a lower price. Choose the Moto Edge 70 Ultra if you want the latest tech, better cameras, and a phone that'll age better over time. Both are excellent. It just depends on your budget and priorities. If this comparison helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest tech comparisons, and let me know in the comments, which Moto Edge would you choose and why? Thanks for watching.